Without using logarithmic tables, find the value of log 16 minus 2 into log 2 plus 5 log 3 minus log 27 divided by log 4 plus log 9. Now write log 16 as it is. For this, you have to apply this formula. N into log m is equal to log m raised to n. So I am going to write log 2 raised to 2. Plus for this also, you have to apply this formula. Log 3 raised to 5 minus log 27 divided by log 4 plus log 9. Now log 16 minus what is 2 square? It is 4. 3 raised to 5. Now 2 square is 2 into 2, 4. 3 raised to 5 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 5 times. So it will be 243. So log of 243 minus log 27 divided by log 4 plus log 9. Now I am going to use first formula, log m minus log n is equal to log m by n. So log 16 by 4, because these two are minus, write this plus as it is. Then for this also apply this formula, that is log 243 divided by 27. Write denominator part as it is. Okay. Now 4 ones are 4 4s are 16, 27 ones are 27 9s are 243. So log 4 plus log 9 in the numerator. Denominator write as it is. Okay. Now numerator and denominator get cancelled. So what is your answer? 1. I hope you understood very well. Thank you for watching.